If you want to make sure your MailChimp email looks perfect before you send it to your audience, testing your campaign is one of the smartest things you can do. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to test a MailChimp campaign step by step so you can check the design, links, wording, and overall layout before the real send. This is a simple process, but it can save you from mistakes and help you look more professional. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the site loads, sign in with your email address and password to access your account dashboard. If you manage more than one account, make sure you're using the correct one before moving forward, because the campaign you want to test needs to be in the right workspace. After you're logged in, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Campaigns. This is where MailChimp keeps all of your email campaigns, including drafts, scheduled campaigns, and sent campaigns. From here, you'll be able to find the campaign you want to preview and test before it goes live. Next, locate the email campaign you want to test. You can browse through your saved drafts or use the available options to find the right one faster. Once you've found it, click Edit to open the campaign editor or the campaign overview page. This will take you into the area where you can review the content and prepare it for a test send. Inside the campaign editor, look for the option that says Send a Test Email. This is the feature you'll use to send a preview of the campaign to yourself or to other people for review. When you click it, a pop-up window should appear with the test email settings. Now, in the Send Test to field, enter the email address where you want the test message to go. If you want feedback from more than one person, you can usually enter multiple email addresses depending on how MailChimp is set up in your account. This is really useful if you want a teammate, client, or manager to review the email before it goes out to your full list. If MailChimp gives you optional settings, take a moment to review them before sending. You may be able to add a personal message, send a test to other MailChimp users, or configure review and feedback options. These small details can be helpful if you're working with a team and want everyone to be on the same page before launch. Before you send anything, double-check the recipient email addresses carefully. This is an important step because you want the test email to go to the right inboxes. Once everything looks correct, click Send Test. MailChimp will then send the email preview so you can see exactly how it appears in an inbox. After the test email arrives, open it and review the entire campaign carefully. Check the subject line, the preview text, the images, the spacing, the buttons, and every link inside the email. Make sure everything works properly and that the campaign looks good on both desktop and mobile if possible. This is your chance to catch any mistakes before your subscribers see it. And that's it. You've now learned how to test a MailChimp campaign before sending it to your audience. This simple step can help you avoid errors, improve your email quality, and send with confidence every time. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.